2026 is a weird year. Even students from top colleges are struggling to get jobs. Layoffs are everywhere, and if you're in school or college right now, the future honestly feels uncertain. But here's the truth most people miss. Every crisis creates opportunity. So in this video, I'll share 5 skill domains that will dominate the next 5 years. Some can earn side income, some can replace your job, and a few, if done right, can completely change your life. 1. Video editing. This is one of the most underrated skills right now. Creators, brands, agencies, everyone needs editors. And the crazy part? Entry-level video editors are earning more than entry-level software engineers. You don't need a degree, you don't need years. Just 3 to 4 months of focused practice. If you like creativity, this is one of the fastest ways to start earning online. 2. Cybersecurity. As everything moves online, security becomes critical. Companies can lose millions overnight because of weak systems. That's why cybersecurity demand is exploding. But don't enter this field just for money. It requires constant learning. If you enjoy problem solving and tech challenges, this can be a long-term, high-income career. 3. Storytelling and content creation. People say content is saturated. It's not. Good content is rare. If you know how to tell stories, you can build a personal brand, create theme pages, work with brands, or help founders grow online. Even behind-the-scenes roles like content planning and research are now full-time jobs. Storytelling is a superpower, and it pays. AI/ML. Yes, software jobs are tough right now, but fields like AI and machine learning are just getting started. This is not a quick win. It takes 2 to 3 years of serious learning. But if you stay patient, the long-term rewards are massive. 5. AI storytelling, faceless content. This is one of the biggest opportunities right now. Brands are already using AI to create ads and videos, and this trend is only growing. If you can use AI tools to tell engaging stories without showing your face, you can work with brands, agencies, and creators worldwide. Final message. Just knowing these skills won't change anything. Action will. Pick one skill, start small, stay consistent, and give it time. Comment below, which skill are you going to learn this year?